Everyone, I'm going to do a video of my 52-inch white and polished brass air-cooled flush mount, and this looks an awful lot like a Palmair Hugger Deluxe, but slightly different, and I shall show you the differences. It's got the same type of canopy, but notice it's narrower by like 2 inches or so. The Palmairs were known for their wide canopies that took up almost the perimeter of the motor housing. Has a filigree sideband just like the Palmair, same kind of faceplate, GE vents. And another difference is, notice that the switch cap is the traditional switch cap. It's not the Casablanca type that was found on most Palmair Hugger Deluxes. I don't know when Air-Cool switched over to this style. I want to say it was like circa 1986. If I'm wrong, then just correct me on that. And the neat thing about this is that I can accommodate a 4-inch globe fitter on it, and it was very, very difficult to do on the Palmairs. So I think some people have pulled it off, but not me. It came with a 4-light spotlight kit, you know, those bullet light kits, those contemporary ones, but I took it off and I thought this looked more becoming on it. That one looked a little too contemporary for this type of fan. Again, I don't know when it was manufactured, but I want to say circa 1986, and it did come with cane blades like this. I mean, the blades and arms that came with it are 100% identical to these, but the reason why I switched them is because when I tested them with the ones that came with it, the fan wobbled like crazy on high. And I had a spare set of blade arms that I got at a yard sale with plain oak air-cooled blades. And number two is I want to test out these new old stock blades, have an excuse to use them, because I don't know if the other ones were warped or not, so they probably are. I'll have to measure them up or just test them, if you will. But that's the socket chain. There's the reverse switch right there, and the light pull chain, which we'll show a little later in the situation. Looks nice, illuminated. Very, very 80s-ish. And put a tassel pull on it. Makes the fan look true to its heritage. Of course, this is a Casablanca compared to a Heritage ceiling fan. Those things, don't even get me started on them. They absolutely suck. And that's just an understatement. But let me rev it up for you, first on low. Medium. I mean, for a flush mount fan, it really doesn't do that bad. And now let's try it on high, shall we? It's really cranking out a lot of air now. And the wobble has been decreased, greatly decreased. Wow. Puts out quite a breeze, doesn't it? It's on par with that blue floral hugger. And let me spin them down simultaneously, see which one finishes first, shall we? have a little spin down race. They were both on high. I always want to see a flush mount air cool with a 4-inch light fitter. Now I have it has now manifested, as you can see. Stop first. Okay, one thing I forgot to show you was the blade arms and the old stock blades. Their size plain. Well, better late than never, folks. I mean, it doesn't really matter what order I show it in, just as long as I got everything. And before I sign off, I made some minor updates. Original's the same. The Casablanca Delta 2 over there, if you notice anything different about it, it now has just 4 blades instead of 5, and the blades are on it. They are designated for the Delta 1 that's going to go there sometime soon, don't really know when. And right here is the Hunter Silent Breeze. I will not be doing a video of it. The main reason is it makes a lot of noise and needs a capacitor. And by the way, it was at the same habitat that the feature fan was at, and the Hunter did not come with a mounting bracket, but thankfully I had a spare, so only I could fix it. So basically I rescued it, made it all there. So don't know what I'm going to do with it yet, but anyway, I'm going to sign off now. This concludes our broadcast day. Thank you for watching. More to come, folks.